So now let's talk about audio transcription. So I have just opened one of the timelines from my YouTube vlog. And if I want the transcription of the entire video, if you don't know what transcription is, so transcription is a written format of every dialogue, every sentence spoken in the video. So how you can get that? You go on the timeline, which timeline is here. It's not yet. You right click on this and you go AI tools and you go audio transcription and then you transcribe. It would take some time, but for my, like I've already done it, so it comes really quick. And that gives you all the words and everything that has been spoken in the video. What I usually do is that if I want to make an Instagram caption or make a TikTok caption, I usually do with my Reels. I would get the transcription from that video, go to ChatGPT, tell them that, hey, can you convert this into an Instagram caption? And then ChatGPT does that and it gives me a starting point to have an Instagram caption. So that's when I use the transcription. Sometimes if you want to give it to your client or give it to someone else, you can also do that by just exporting it. So you see here, I have clicked the export button. You can just export it and it would go out as a text file. What you can also do, let's go back to DaVinci Resolve here. We have one clip where we are sitting and talking, right? We have a clip here. And if we go and get the transcription of just this clip, let's go transcribe, it would take some time. Then we can edit according to whatever we have said in this clip. Let me show you how. So let's say I would just move this on the other screen and let's put an I point here, you know, and then if we do, it's less windy now than we thought. First time at Dutch Island. If we just want this sentence in the timeline, so I would just highlight the text here and then I would just click insert, this button, and that comes here.
It's less windy now than we thought.
Yeah, so here we are for the first time on holidays in one of the Dutch islands.
So you see everything what we highlighted, that is here. And now if I want some other, you know, that's our mission, this whole trip here in Texel. Let's insert this. So that would come, that clip would come next to the clip what we did before.
It's our mission.
It's our mission, yeah, of this whole trip here in Texel.
So yeah, from this transcript you can also see, because a lot of times if you are filming something and if you know that you only needed just that 2 sentences from this entire video, you don't have to go through the entire video. You can just open up the transcript and you can just select whatever you want and just insert it, and that would go in your timeline, and that is really handy. And what you can also do is that you can use speaker detection. So if I just do that, and then if I go AI tools, transcript, it's gonna just transcribe again, and we can assign the speakers, because last time we just got a little paragraph of everything what we said. There was not a thing that he said this, she said this. The speakers are not there. Yeah, so we have speakers. If you just go here and if you go display speakers, then you have speaker here. So if I just play here, oh yeah, so this is the speaker Mira and this is the speaker 1 is Mira, and then speaker 2 is myself. And now throughout the whole video we know that what Mira said and what I said, and if I just want to take out my part or if I just wanted to take out her part, we can easily do with transcription and then just copy everything on the timeline. And you can also delete these little gaps. So if you just go like this, and then all the gaps are deleted. And now what you can do is that, oh, I selected these clips here, and now what you can do, if you select all the text here and if you go insert, then all the text would be on my timeline without any gap, because we deleted all the gaps in the transcript. So that's really cool, and that's how you can use the transcript for your videos, which is, I think it's only getting better and better, and it's really cool. So yes, I think that was from the edit section in DaVinci Resolve, and now we're gonna be moving on to the Fairlight page, which I don't really use often, but I use it once in every project and I'll show you when. And I think it's really cool. So Fairlight page is mostly for the audio. So if you want to enhance your audio, then yeah, let's go to the next chapter.